Hi, this is grade 6, Unit 1, Lesson 1. This are the mystery canisters. In your kit, you're going to get 28 film canisters, and you're going to fill them with a variety of objects. You want to make sure that each film canister that you fill has a match. So I put rice in my film canister, and I put rice in film canister number 1 and in film canister 28. You have inside of your manual this page that gives you a list of all of the materials that you can use to fill your canisters. You just want to make sure that each canister has a match, because at one point during the lesson, the students are going to try and find their match. So what I did to make it a little easier on myself when they're in class is number 1 matches what's in 28. Number 2 matches what's in 27. Number 3 matches what's in 26. This way, as I'm circulating in the classroom and the students say, oh, I think I found my match, I quickly know whether or not they did find their match. So first thing you're going to do is you fill the canisters. You give 1 canister to each student and tell them they cannot open the canister, but they're going to make some observations and questions about what they think might be inside of their film canister. They're going to use this student page, and they're going to fill out what they think, questions about their canister, observations, and then draw models of what they think might be inside of the film canisters. And then what you want them to do is try to find their match based on observations. So first they're going to talk with other scientists and use this journal page. They're going to talk to the other scientists about the characteristics. What do you feel? How does it feel when it rolls? How does it feel when it moves? So I told you I put rice inside of these, but you can use things like laundry soap works great because it doesn't slosh around like water, but it has a very, very distinct smell. If you really want to throw your students off, you leave 2 of them with nothing in there, and they have air inside of them, and the kids really have to observe what's going on with their film canisters to find their matches. So once you have done that, you want the students at the end to open up their film canisters and find out, did they find their match? What kind of observations did they make that helped them find their match? And what kind of observations should they have made if they didn't find their match that would have led them to their match? Now, sometimes in this day and age, we're stuck at home and you're doing these lessons from home. So one of the things that I thought you could do is you can use an empty jewelry box, because you want to make sure if you're doing this at home, you can have someone at home put a mystery item inside of the box and the students can still make observations. So they're not going to be able to find their match, but they can make observations about the box because the box is not see-through and they can't see what's inside of it. Another option is to use something like a small Pringles can and cover the top so that they can't see inside of it. And this way they can still manipulate and feel something moving inside of there. And the great thing about a jewelry box is it usually comes with this piece of cotton. And it's a really great idea to take the cotton and put a little extract on it. Vanilla extract or almond extract or something, and put it inside of the box, because now you can't really feel it move, but you can smell that there's something in there. This is a terrific lesson, and I really hope that this video has helped.